Growing lettuce at home is a popular choice for many. It means you have access to fresh produce that's full of flavour, not to mention it's super easy to grow. There are several types of lettuce to choose between, including baby leaf mignonette and cos. When selecting a variety for your garden, consider personal preference, climate and space. When selecting a space, lettuce prefers cool temperatures and partial shade. Choose a location that receives 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Lettuce thrives in well-draining soil, rich in organic matter. Prepare the soil by loosening it and removing any debris or weeds. Plant the lettuce, ensuring that you're spacing it correctly, which is shown on the label. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. You'll know when to water when the top 2 centimetres of the soil is dry. Add an organic compost or a balanced fertiliser to provide essential nutrients. Additionally, place down a mulch such as sugarcane or pea straw to help minimise moisture evaporation. Lettuce is best harvested in the morning when the leaves are crisp and cool, usually about 10 to 15 centimetres long. If you're unsure, perform a taste and texture test, which simply means pick some and taste it. A good tip is to harvest lettuce on the younger side, because if you let it get too long, it can become bitter. With certain varieties, you can harvest a few leaves at a time, which means less wastage and ongoing supply. So the garden is thriving. I've picked you some lettuce.
Yeah, it's so lush, and I think it's the perfect thing for a green goddess salad.
Yum.
Hi, I'm Chris, I'm a chef, and today I'm going to show you how to make the green goddess salad. It's light, refreshing, perfect thing for a summer lunch or a snack, and it's full of veggies, so it's a great way to get some greenery into your diet. First, we're going to make the dressing. It's really tasty and really easy. Just pop everything in a blender. What you'll need is 40 grams of smoked almonds, 20 grams of yeast flakes, 2 cloves of garlic, a bunch of basil leaves, 30 grams of baby spinach, 3 spring onions, a jalapeno chili, that's optional, half an avocado, a quarter cup of olive oil, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and a bit of salt to taste. I'm using smoked almonds because they give the dressing a little savoury boost, but you could just use regular almonds for a cheaper alternative. Puree these ingredients in your blender, adding water as required to achieve a smooth dressing. Once that's done, pop it to the side while we prepare our lettuce. Start by thinly slicing the hero of the dish, the lettuce. Then combine with some grilled corn, 3 baby cucumbers and half an avocado. Once you've got all your veggies together, toss in the dressing and give it a mix. This salad is absolutely delicious with tortilla chips on the side. There you have it, our homegrown lettuce green goddess salad. Give it a try.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.